Okay, let's check my recent video. Studio. Am I like? No! No! Why? No! But I said if it gets to 2 likes, I have to. Oh no. Does that mean I have to? No! That means I have to play it again. Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And as you saw, yeah, 2 likes on the video. Which means I gotta play it again. So we're here. Actually, wait. What does that sound? Whoa. Guys, the lights just turned off. I hate this! And also, I am actually home alone right now, so yeah. Just even better. Okay, continue, night 2. I played night 1 before. Night 2. I hate this game! I hated it. Oh my word. Hello, fan! I hate this fan. Now, let me see your button. I can't actually hear anything. I don't know if there's supposed to be anything. Okay, you. I think Foxy actually comes out in this one. And actually, I think Freddy will move. Last time, only Bonnie and Chica moved. And it was terrible because, just watch the last video. I'll just try putting it in the link in the description. Alright, so last time Foxy didn't move and Freddy didn't move. I need to save power. I had 2%. I need to keep checking on them like that. I'm just gonna mute, because I think if I do that, the game will immediately start. I hate this game so much. Okay. I don't know who moves first. Alright, also, I realized that I was also supposed to look at these. Don't run, don't yell, don't scream. Don't poop on the floor. What? Wait, what? Don't poop on the floor? Stay close to Mom. Why not Dad? Don't touch Freddy. Don't hit. Leave before dark. Chica's gone again. There's Chica. That's good. I need a... Oh my word, 82% already. That was hilarious. That is hilarious. Don't poop on the floor? You didn't see, just rewind the video because I don't want to do it again. What am I using? The lights are not on, the doors aren't on. The fan! Unplug the fan! Unplug it! I need to unplug the fan. Unplug the fan! It's using power. I have 77 left. Bonnie's gone as well. Okay. Just what I want. I bet I'm gonna get jump scared in this one. It is only 1 a.m. in this game. I'm 75%. Last time I think it was 80 something. Okay. Freddy's still there. I don't think Freddy moves. But they are moving a lot quicker than last time. Lights. Just for a second. So I won't waste very much. Oh my word! Oh, Chica moved. I think it's in the kitchen. I think Chica's in the kitchen. If Chica moves, I think she's in the kitchen. Okay. You can't see it, but right underneath it says night 2. Okay. Now I have to keep an eye because I don't actually know if Chica will go back to the dining area. Okay. I should probably actually keep an eye on the doors real quick because Chica might be there. And I do not want to get jump scared. Warning, this might have jump scares actually. Right now, this actually is just... Shoot! Okay. Bonnie's there. Okay. Chica. Bonnie's here. Okay, I'm a little bit more used to it. 61%? I'm not gonna be able... Oh. Oh wait, Chica's there. I'm not gonna be able to survive this night. I'm losing power already. And I don't know what I'm using. This isn't on. That tells me I'm using power. These aren't on. The doors are closed. Open. Bonnie's still there. Chica. Okay. I'm gonna keep an eye on Chica here. I might actually do 3 a.m. right now. I might... Okay. They're right there. I know they're gonna end up right here at the door. I know it. I know it. Chica's gone. Shoot. Okay, I think she's in the kitchen. I can't hear anything. The audio won't work. I don't know why the audio won't. Chica's in the bathroom. She's right there. Chica, don't look in the man spot. You're a girl. Wait, is Chica a girl? I never knew if Chica was a girl yet. At all. 47%! I'm gonna get jump scared. I know it. Bonnie's gone. Bonnie's there, okay? Chica's still in the restroom. Chica moved. Chica's in there. I probably shouldn't actually be using the camera so much, but I'm so terrified. This is bad. I know I'm gonna get jump scared. And if I do, I'm just gonna pause this video and then get back to 4 a.m. Yeah. Oh, I hate this so much. Freddy's still there. I'm not afraid of this one. Okay. Check this. Foxy. I thought, okay. They stay in the kitchen quite a bit. Already? Chica, restroom. I didn't know that Chica was actually in the restroom. Oh, so I'm trying. Okay, come on. 35. I need to check. Okay, Pirates Cove is good. Okay, they're both there. Oh, come on. He's in here, isn't he? Yep. Alright, so Bonnie will come from this way. Chica will come from this way. I don't actually think Freddy will move. And Pirate Cove hasn't been used yet. Did I just see something? Okay, I'm just gonna turn off. 30%! I hate this! Okay, I'm a little bit better. I don't know why, but I'm still like, I'm ready for a jump scare here. I haven't got a jump scare yet. It is 4 a.m. And I have 28% power. I need to like not use the cameras. But I know if I don't, I won't see Foxy coming. If Foxy actually comes. They're both gone! Shoot. You there. You there. Not. I hate everything about what I'm about to do. I'm overriding it. 5 a.m. Turn to 6 right now. Right now. Oh my word. Chica's gone. Where's Chica's good? Foxy's! Oh my word, Foxy! Foxy! Oh! Okay. No one's on this side. Close that door. Over that door, even. Foxy's right there! I hate this game! Bonnie gone. Bonnie's still there. Foxy's right there. Oh my word. I'm gonna get jump scared. I hate you, Foxy. Freddy, good. Chica, good. Where? Chica's in the bathroom, isn't she? Yeah, she's in the bathroom. She's gonna go potty. Bonnie's still there. Bonnie is still there. 9%! Turn to 6! Turn to 6! I'm gonna die! Oh no! Yes! Yes! Eat that! 6 a.m. Shift is over. Yes! Ah! So Foxy does come on the second night. I don't know why Foxy didn't run at me, but that was fun. Now I'm on the third night. Wait, shop? Wait, what? What? Robux? What is this stuff? Earn plus 10. That would be nice, but I don't have Robux. Earn 15%. Oh! Every one. Wait, what is this? Every wonder what's moved inside the kitchen. You might not want to know. Chica's there. Chica is right there. So they do change. So, I think I'm gonna guess. And if you ever play this game and you know what's in there, I'm gonna guess what's in there. And I'm gonna say that it's actually the broken down or mangle. Broken down animatronics or something like that. Everyone wondering what's inside. Alright. What is this? You'll see something spooky stuff if you get the Game Pass. I don't want to. Okay. Back to menu. This shop is there. Credits. I don't care. I'm not hitting new game. But I didn't get jump scared. So, yeah. I'm going to do a night every video. So, hope you enjoyed. That was actually a long. I don't know. This one felt a little bit like not as long. But like I said in almost the beginning of the video, I'm actually alone. That's what made this even more scary. Oh yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. And wait. The lights turned on. Okay, that's a little bit creepy. Alright. And not like Freddy at all now. Next time we see, I will beat your game. So it goes all Five Nights at Freddy's. But I don't know, but I think there's actually 6 nights. So hopefully you enjoyed. I kind of did. I actually kind of did because this is hopefully, I heard saying, hopefully the third one includes Freddy or Freddy actually moving or Foxy moving because Foxy and Freddy don't actually move. I saw Foxy, but I didn't. We see Freddy, but Freddy's supposed to move, right? He's not moving. So, hopefully you enjoyed. I sure did. So, don't forget to leave a like. And I'm probably just going to continue this without a like goal. I just did last time. I was super scared. So, hopefully you enjoyed. I sure did. And that's it for now. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. That's it for now. So, oh wait, don't forget to check LPS Daisy the Wolf. And also we have a channel with both of us. I think it's called Wolf Lizard. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, give us a like, subscribe, and sorry, I'm just waiting for this. Who's that?